Oh, that was like to burn a hole in his...
Yeah, burn a hole right through my pocket.
I got $120 burning a hole in the hole in my pocket, so
I've got $100 burning a hole in my car.
I went to see Leo because I had this money burning a $10,000 hole in my pocket.
That money just burning a hole in your pocket, ain't it?
Because there are some baseball tickets burning a hole in your pocket.
English Idiom Challenge. What does burn a hole in someone's pocket mean? Correct answer is money that someone is very tempted to spend quickly. Burn a hole in someone's pocket means that someone feels a strong desire to spend money as soon as they get it, instead of saving it. Examples. The bonus he received was burning a hole in his pocket, so he bought a new phone the next day. Her allowance is always burning a hole in her pocket. She spends it the moment she gets it. Like and subscribe for more idioms.